Your brakes are one of the most important components on your vehicle. Keeping an eye and ear out for any changes could help when you need your brakes most. All vehicle brakes have a normal lifespan. Parts wear out with use and need to be replaced over time. By staying on top of vehicle health, you can make sure your brakes continue working safely and reliably and reduce the likelihood of failure. All brakes feel different with use. This is normal, but you can pay attention to the differences and take your vehicle to the experts at your Chevy dealership to be inspected if you experience any of the following: grinding noises, a spongy feeling when you press the brake pedal, longer than normal stopping distances, vibrations through the pedal, or if your vehicle pulls to the left or right when you press the brakes. You can also look to see if your vehicle has wear indicators. By checking wear indicators, you can know when it's time to bring your vehicle into your Chevy dealership to get the brakes serviced. The indicators are metal tabs built into the brake pads. When the pads wear to the point that the indicators are revealed, the tabs will rub against the rotors, emitting a chirping, squealing, or whistling sound. When you hear any of these sounds, it's time to get your brakes checked. Your vehicle may also feature a brake pad life monitor that uses sensors to indicate brake wear. When service is needed, a message will be displayed in the driver information center. There is no fixed interval for brake maintenance or servicing. It just depends on the condition of the brakes and the environment and road conditions. If you sense that something isn't operating correctly within your brakes, schedule service with the experts at Chevrolet Certified Service through the My Chevrolet mobile app or in-vehicle app or the Chevrolet website. Whenever you visit your dealership, be sure to ask for a multi-point vehicle inspection. This will show how different systems in the vehicle, like brakes, are performing. Help keep your vehicle happy and healthy by paying attention to the condition of your brakes.